Put simply, cryptocurrency is digital money, which is designed in a way that it is secure and anonymous in some instances. It is closely associated with Internet that makes use of cryptography, which is basically a process where legible information is converted into a code that cannot be cracked so as to tack all the transfers and purchases made. Cryptography has a history dating back to the World War II, when there was a need to communicate in the most secure manner. Since that time, an evolution of the same has occurred and it has become digitalized today, where different elements of computer science and mathematical theory are being utilized for purposes of securing communications, money and information online. The first cryptocurrency. The very first cryptocurrency was introduced in the year 2009 and is still well known all over the world. Many more cryptocurrencies have since been introduced over the past few years, and today you can find so many available over the internet. How they work. This kind of digital currency makes use of technology that is decentralized so as to allow the different users to make payments that are secure and also to store money without necessarily using a name or even going through a financial institution. They are mainly run on a blockchain. A blockchain is a public ledger that is distributed publicly. The cryptocurrency units are usually created using a process that is referred to as mining. This usually involves the use of a computer power. Doing it this way solves the math problems that can be very complicated in the generation of coins. Users are only allowed to purchase the currencies from the brokers and then store them in cryptographic wallets where they can spend them with great ease. Cryptocurrencies and the application of blockchain technology are still in the infant stages when thought of in financial terms. More uses may emerge in the future as there is no telling what else will be invented. The future of transacting on stocks, bonds and other types of financial assets could very well be traded using the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in the future. Why use cryptocurrency? One of the main traits of these currencies is the fact that they are secure and that they offer an anonymity level that you may not get anywhere else. There is no way in which a transaction can be reversed or faked. This is by far the greatest reason why you should consider using them. The fees charged on this kind of currency are also quite low, and this makes it a very reliable option when compared to the conventional currency. Since they are decentralized in nature, they can be accessed by anyone, unlike banks where accounts are opened only by authorization. Cryptocurrency markets are offering a brand new cash form, and sometimes the rewards can be great. You may make a very small investment only to find that it has mushroomed into something great in a very short period of time. However, it is still important to note that the market can be volatile too, and there are risks that are associated with buying.